When I am telling you guys that you need to make money on Popo live stream, you guys think that this is a joke. So right now I have what, $108.73. And if you check my invite link, I have like $4 there that I'm supposed to claim. Okay, so let me click on it and show you guys as well, so that it will not be like I'm blabbing or I'm saying stories. And a lot of people have also come to my comment section. It's actually loading. I will show you guys. Okay, you can see it here. I have like 40,000 coins to claim, and every one person you invite, you're going to be getting $14. Okay, and a lot of persons have actually come to my comment section personally to tell me like, Sonia, thank you so much for introducing this particular apps to us. And how do these persons make money? These persons make money from doing different things on this particular Popo app. So it is not just by just going there to just live stream or just go there and just perform one or two tasks. That is why you have Coco DP. Okay, Coco DP is a platform that can help you buy coins at the cheapest rate. When I mean cheapest rate, for you to be able to do what? Do a lot of things here. Let me tell you how you can use Coco DP. For Coco DP, you can buy coins from Coco DP and then go to your, what they call it, go to your Popo app and they'll sell those coins, okay, in a higher rate and then make money with it. And then you can still use that particular coins you bought from Coco DP to do what? To do exchange, so that you can upgrade your live stream levels, to do what? To also play games and make money, to also gamble and make money. First, before I go into every other stuff that you need to know and how it can make this very, very easy for you, let me just go ahead and show you how my Coco DP look like, and show you as well how you can purchase and everything that you need to know as well. So let's just go there, guys. Now my screen record is all started and I'll be attaching it here or here, and if you click on the link in the description box, it is going to take you straight to this particular website, where all you need to do is to do what? To register. How do you register? The first thing is click on this country to be able to choose your country. If your country is not here, just like mine that is Nigerian that is not here, don't worry yourself. At the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you how to purchase coins from this place even if your country is not here. Okay, and then the next thing for you to do is to click on this particular place for you to be able to sign in. So you can sign in with your Google account as well. So I'll just go ahead and sign in with my Google account, the one I've already used in opening my my Coco DP. So this is me signing in, and once I am done signing in, this is how exactly the interface will look like. You can see it right now. My email is already here, as you're seeing here. So right now, this is the interface of Coco DP, and you can see it here. And right now, let me just make this announcement. Coco DP is celebrating Halloween. One good part I love about them is every season they celebrate what is happening in that season. So if it's Christmas, they celebrate Christmas season, and they're going to be giving you $20 for participating in that particular Halloween. I'll also be putting the link in the description box. Okay, all you need to do is to click on the link and join their Facebook group and every other stuff, and you're going to participate, and then you're going to be earning $20 for free. Okay, and now you can see my interface right now. They have different coins that they are selling: Bigo, Imo, Star Maker, Miko, poppolive, and every other stuff that you are seeing here. But we are going to concentrate on poppolive because poppolive is very, very special to me, you guys know. So if you click on poppolive, you are going to see they also pop out the Halloween again. They say happy Halloween. Click the pictures to join the event and win $20. Okay, so click the picture. Okay, you can see that I've clicked the picture, and if I click the picture, you can see that directly it's taking me now to Facebook. Okay, so it is Facebook that you're going to participate. Now they say for you to be able to participate, how to enter: like the post, share the post to your friend, comment below with the Halloween costume idea photos, and then we'll pick one most attractive winner on November 13th. So they are going to be picking those winners on November 13th, and this is an opportunity for you to join this particular challenge to win $20 in Coco in, and 9 other winners with each $5. Okay, so it is not just going to end in $20. Others can also win $5. Now let's go back to our platform. Okay, so if we go back to our Coco DP platform like this, the next thing we're going to be seeing is these coins, and this is how you can actually buy these coins. So for you to buy coins here, you can see here we have 34,000 Naira coins. So anyone you want to click here, you can go ahead and buy. And the good part I love with their coins is that their coins is way cheaper compared to Popo. Okay, for Popo, if you want to buy coins with Popo, the least is $10, the highest is $200. Why this one? After my calculation with the one I've been able to be buying, I noticed that it is way cheaper for me, and it also helped me in upgrading different things that I'm going to be talking about at the end of this video. So now if you click on any one, for example, let's say for example I want to buy this one, then the next thing you're going to be doing is what? They're going to be putting out the amounts for you here. So if they put out the amounts for you here now, the next thing you're going to be doing is how do you want to transfer? Is it mobile money? You click on mobile money, and then they're going to say you fill in your email address. You can see automatically if you log in with your email address, your email address is going to be there. Okay, the next thing you need to look out for is your what? Your ID, which is what? And where they said enter your UID. You see this, your UID, it is very important, because the moment you enter the wrong UID, the coins is going to be credited to another person. Okay, so you don't need to enter a wrong UID. Enter the direct UID that you want to what? That you want to enter, which is your own UID. And if you enter, then the next thing you're going to do is to click on buy. Once you click on buy, boom, you are settled. Now for those ones that don't have in Nigeria, how do I buy coins? Because I stay in Nigeria and Coco DP is not yet in Nigeria, but according to what I've read, they said they are going to definitely bring it down to other African countries like Nigeria and some other countries that don't have. So you are going to check out this country and find out where do you have anybody in this particular country. So for myself, I have a friend in Kenya, and since they do buy in Kenya, what I do is I calculate the money in Naira and then send her my ID and tell her to buy for me, and immediately it will be credited to my Popo account, okay, with my ID and everything. And in doing this comparison of these two, we notice that it is way cheaper to buy with Coco DP than when you're buying directly from the Popo live stream app. Okay, so after that, you are good to go. So if you don't have in Kenya and you have in Ghana, Tanzania, Uganda, Colombia, all this country, Brazil that are here, all you need to do is to give them your ID and tell them that you want to buy Coco DP coins, and then they are going to do it for like, it is not even difficult at all. You can even share this video for them as well, and they are just going to follow the exact procedure and buy these coins for you. And once you are done buying this coin is going to be credited to your to your account. Now let me end this screen record. Now after buying this coin, how do you use this particular coin now to generate more revenue for yourself on Popo? The number one thing is you can use these coins to play games and make more money. Okay, you can use these coins to as well gamble and make more money. You can also use this coin to elevate your live stream. You can use these coins to join VIP. If you remember the 13 ways or 15 ways that I shared on how you can be able to make money from Popo live stream, there are different ways you can make money from Popo live stream. A lot of people are crying that they're not making money on Popo live stream because they just rely on just the live streaming and then the crown seat tax. If you rely on just the live stream and crown seat tax, before you're going to make, you're going to make money quite alright, but before you're going to be making that money it's going to take you like a long time. But if you use this one now to be upgrading your level and doing other things, getting other privileges from from Popo, before you know, you are elevated. So if you have not checked Coco DP, try and check Coco DP and thank me later. And most importantly, try to join their particular event, because it is not difficult. Just imagine you just join the event and you're winning the $20 immediately, or $5. At least it's something for you, and you can withdraw this to your local bank account and thank me later. Anyways, thank you so much for staying stick and with me to the end of this video. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, I like always say in my videos, I'm going to be Simba, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.